Hey everyone, I'm Danny, and welcome to Muggle Magic. I recently had an exclusive item in Gobstonalley's July 2018 box, and it was this Weasley's Wizard Wheezes brochure. So in this video, I'm gonna release the templates for this and just show you guys how to put it together. It's pretty simple. If you've ever seen any of my Harry Potter printables videos, I mean, basically we're just gonna be printing this out and cutting off the white space and then folding it. I know this isn't gonna take long to do, so this is gonna be kind of a shorter video. So at the end, I kind of just wanted to talk a little bit about The Crimes of Grindelwald because I'm really excited for that movie. And Warner Bros. Just released a new featurette on their YouTube channel, so that's kind of what I'm going to be talking about, and I'll link that video in the description box. So go ahead and check out the description box below for a list of supplies you're going to need, as well as the link to the free downloadable templates, and let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is download and print the templates. This is on 11 by 17 cardstock right here. And then after that, it's just a matter of trimming off all the white from around the edge. To do that, I'm going to use a ruler and X-Acto knife. Just line up the ruler right along the edge that you want to cut, and then follow along that with your X-Acto knife. After that, we just need to fold it, and basically it's pretty easy to fold. We're just going to fold this side in toward the middle, and then this side folds over the top. And now you have your Weasley's Wizard Wheezes brochure. I do suggest printing this on cardstock like I did. And I'm going to show you a couple of different things. This one I printed at home on my inkjet printer. And a lot of people have been asking me in the comments what kind of printer I use. But I don't want to confuse anybody into buying something that they don't want. So let me explain a little bit. First of all, most of the stuff I print, I have printed professionally at places like Staples. This one I had printed professionally, and so you can see the difference in colors here. The professionally printed one has a much better contrast, and the colors pop a bit more on this one. And if we take a look on the inside, you can also see that the colors are a bit different. The professionally printed one has brighter colors, whereas the one printed at home on my inkjet, they're a little bit darker, but it still looks really good. So yeah, I just wanted you guys to know before anybody rushed out and bought a printer based on my recommendation that I usually have stuff printed professionally, and sometimes I do it at home. I did this one at home in this video. The other videos that I've done at home are the Daily Prophet, the Borgin and Burke's catalog, and the Weasley's Wizard Wheezes Explosive Enterprises, which was all of the packaging. So I think that my home printer is really good. It's one of the best inkjets you can probably get, and it does print on 11 by 17 paper, which was one of the main reasons that I got it. So anyways, after watching this and seeing this, if you're still interested in using the printer that I use at home, I'll link that in the description box below. So if you want it, there you go. You can go ahead and order it. I ordered mine on Amazon. I have Amazon Prime, so it showed up within the next couple of days. And at the time of making this video, it's actually on sale for about, I think, $50 cheaper than what I paid for it. So yeah, check out that link in the description box if you're interested in my printer. If you want to win a Weasley's Wizard Wheezes brochure, Gobstonalley actually sent me a whole bunch of these to give away on my channel. So I thank them for that quite a bit. That is awesome of them to do. So for this video, I'm just gonna be giving away one of these professionally printed brochures. I have plenty more to give away for other videos. If this video can get 700 likes or more before this weekly giveaway is over, I'll be giving away 2 of these brochures instead of 1. The link to the weekly giveaway is in the description box, so just go ahead and click that link to enter. I also have other giveaways going on, such as my 26K giveaway, which is just around the corner, and it's Luna Lovegood themed. And then I have a 30K mystery box giveaway as well, which contains 7 mystery items, 2 of which are brand new DIYs that I haven't released or shown on my channel yet. And I won't release them until after the box is won and received. Also, if you liked my exclusive item in Gobstonalley's box for July, I also have another exclusive item going in their September box. You can use the discount code MuggleMagic, all caps, no space, when you check out, and you'll get 10% off your box. I know I still have to announce the giveaway winner for the Daily Prophet, but I'm going to do that at the end of the video. So with all of this out of the way, let's talk about The Crimes of Grindelwald. I am so excited for this movie. On Warner Brothers YouTube channel just a couple of days ago, I think it was on the 31st of August, they dropped Back to Hogwarts featurette for the Crimes of Grindelwald. And they did this just before the annual Back to Hogwarts Day. And the featurette is a really cool watch. I'm gonna link it in the description box like I mentioned before, so if you haven't seen it, you definitely should. It doesn't spoil anything, so don't worry about that. But this video just kind of goes over how the actors and crew were so excited to be working on set at Hogwarts. And of course you would be, why wouldn't you be? I would jump at the chance to work on something so amazing. I mean, just making these YouTube videos, making these DIY projects really makes me feel like I'm part of the wizarding world in some way. I know that's just silly because I'm not, but I don't know. Making these things makes me feel a little closer to it, and I feel like I can bring you guys a little bit closer to it as well with these projects. Basically, the featurette is really just a few minutes long. It's not a long thing at all, so there's really not much to say about it, but it just made me so much more excited to see Hogwarts again on the big screen. I just can't wait for that. Now, with that said, seeing Hogwarts is my second most anticipated thing that I'm gonna see in Crimes of Grindelwald. The first most anticipated thing for me, honestly, is that magical circus. Wow, that looks so cool. I think it's like a magical sideshow or something like that, but it looks so amazing. And I love the design of everything that has to do with that. So of course, as soon as I can, I'm gonna be making some prop replicas and things having to do with that circus. Let me know what you most look forward to in the Crimes of Grindelwald in the comments section below. Are you excited to see a young Dumbledore? Excited to go back to Hogwarts? Like me, are you excited about that circus? Or just excited to see all the characters that you love from the first one come back to the big screen for another story? Anyways, that's all I really wanted to say about the Crimes of Grindelwald. And now to announce the winner of the Daily Prophet fully readable replica. Actually, let me say winners, because I wanted to get 700 likes on that video and I was gonna give away 2 Daily Prophets. We didn't quite get 700 on that, but it was so close. I've got to give away the second one. It was 600. I think at the time that I looked at it today, it was at 695. So we were only 5 likes off. So yeah, I'm going to be giving away 2. And the winners are Jimenez Sana and Aiden Linden. Congratulations, and I've sent both of you an email with instructions on how you can claim your prize. Remember, I get a lot of ideas for these DIYs that I do from your comments. So if you have an idea for something that you want to see me do in the future, definitely leave a comment below and let me know. If you're interested in seeing more DIY videos having to do with Harry Potter and more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.